Well, I would like to talk about a sporting event that I watched recently. It was football match between Vietnam and Thailand in the final AFF Championship. It is a very important tournament in Southeast Asia, and the rivalry between Vietnam and Thailand in football is always very exciting. I watched this match at home with my family. My father is a big football fan, and my younger brother also enjoys watching the games. We gathering our living room, turn on the television, and prepare some snacks to enjoy while watching. The atmosphere in our house was quite lively and full anticipation. The match itself was very intense. Both teams played with a lot of determination. The score was tied for most of the game, which made it even more thrilling to watch. There were moments such great skill from both sides, which player matching embraces passes and attempts at scoring. I felt a lot of different emotions during the match. At the time, I was very nervous, especially when Thailand has possession of the ball near the Vietnam goal. There were also moments of excitement when Vietnam launched attacks. When Vietnam finally scored the winning goal in the last few minutes, I felt incredibly happy and relieved. My family and I cheered loudly, and it was great feeling to share that moment of victory together. In winter world, just watching from home, I feel very involved in the event. The passions of player and the importance of match make it a memorable experiences. It was a great example of how sport can bring people together and create strong emotions. I was very proud of the Vietnamese team and how they played. It was fantastic sporting event to witness.